Boys and girls, I have noticed that when you're writing your stories, you are saying some of your words very slowly so that you can hear the sounds in your words and so that you can write them correctly in your stories. And you've been doing that on your practice page, and you've been doing that as you're writing. You also have been using your ABC chart to find the letters that make those sounds you can hear. And you even use it every once in a while to find that letter and remember how to make that letter in case you've forgotten. Well, you can also practice that strategy of saying your words slowly and hearing the sounds in words in the word building corner. And you're going to get a new task today. Now, here is the task card. The task card tells you the steps that you need to do in order to finish your task. Now, before we look at that, we need to organize our materials. We always want to organize our materials to prepare for our task, okay? So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to get out my picture cards. And I'm going to put them in a nice, neat row so that I can see each picture clearly. The next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to put my letters that I may need to use to build these words as I say them slowly. I'm going to put those letters in a nice, neat row. Say the letters with me as I put them in a row.
N, D, H, C.
Look at the letters.
T, O,
Good.
G, P, U, A, I,
And,
S.
okay. Now we have all the letters that we may need to use to build these words. Let's read the first bullet or the first step on our task card. Read this with me.
Choose a picture card.
Good. Who would like to choose a picture card for me? Cameron? Okay. And we all know what that is on that picture card. Say that word with me.
Cat.
Cat. Now, let's look at the next bullet on our task card, and it will tell us what to do. Say the word slowly. Say that word slowly with me. Cat. Say it again. Cat. Now, the next step says to build the word with magnetic letters. Watch me as I build the word cat. Cat. Okay, does that look like the word cat?
Yes.
Let's check it. We're going to check it. Run our finger underneath it slowly. Cat. Very good. Okay, now, after that, what we want to do is we want to write that word in our learning log. Now, we've talked about how to work in our learning log. What's the first thing I need to do? The first thing I need to do, Natasha? I want to write the date in my learning log. So I'll do that quickly. Okay, and what's the next thing I need to do? Lawrence? Write the name of the
Corner.
Write the name of the corner. That's right, because when I check your journals, I want to be able to see where you've worked and what tasks you have done. Okay. Now, what is the word that I said slowly and then I went back and I built it? What is that word that I built today? What was that word, Kiana? The word cat. Yes. I want to write that nice and neatly in my journal. Okay. Now, that was the final step on our task card. Write the word in our journal. I bet you all will really enjoy working on this task in your corner. But before we put it away, let's make sure that we know all the names of our picture cards, okay? Say them with me. We know this one.
Cat, pig, hat,
cup,
sun,
dog. Very good. Now, after we've completed our task, we want to clean it up so that the next person that comes to use it will have it all ready for them. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to stack up my picture cards nice and neatly. I'll get to that in just a minute, sweetie. Put them back in the basket, and then I want to collect all of my magnetic letters and put those away. Okay? Now, finally, what I want to do is I want to put my task card right there in the basket so that it is facing the front with the task card number showing. Okay? Kiana, will you go put that on our shelf for us, please?